Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. Alright, so before I get started, I want to show you guys, actually before I get started, I gotta push my light back. It's blinding me. There we go. It's too close, which means it was reflecting off of my camera. Oh, that's so much better. As I was saying, I want to show you guys the dried results of this beauty. Okay, I love it so much. I'm probably gonna keep it unless someone wants to buy it, but I can't. This is one of, I've done a lot of nice blooms lately, but I'm really loving this one. And because it's on a 20-inch round, it makes it even more special because it's a big one. I want to try and do a 24-inch round. That'll be the biggest bloom I will have ever done. So if you want to see me try that, let me know in the comments below. But this still needs resin, obviously, and I cannot wait to resin it because it's gonna look so amazing with resin on it. Look at, just look at, trying to get it in the light, you know, so you can see. But oh gosh, I love it. I love it. But if someone is interested and wants to buy it, I may be willing to part with it. We shall see. But if you are, email me at kanella@gmail.com. All right, so yeah, I'm really excited about that piece. So what I have here is a 16-inch MDF round. Again, my MDFs are from a friend of mine who cut them on his CNC machine, and I drive like 2 hours to meet him and pick them up when I need a new batch of wood. But 16-inch MDF wood round. Before I forget, I think we're like at 8 weeks now to the TriArt experience in Dallas, Texas. You guys, time is running out. I know it sounds like a lot, 8 weeks, but it's not. Before you know it, you're gonna go to sleep, wake up, and it's gonna be March 14th to the 16th. I'm teaching the bloom class. I am teaching how to bloom for the first time ever at an FAE. I'm going to be teaching the bloom technique. So come and learn this technique in person. And then I'll be doing my normal blowouts. I'm doing a top coat class where you're going to learn how to use resin and top coat your pieces. And you get to take the piece that you're resining home, which is going to be a piece of mine. So you'll get to take a piece of my art home with you. And then I'm also doing an ocean piece as well, where you get to do an ocean theme resin piece with a metal turtle stencil. It'll be a lot of fun. So if you want information on the classes or to book a seat, go to www.fluidartexperience.com. Okay, and then I'll be in Montreal. Come on, people, Montrealers, where are ya? April 12th, I will be there, and I'll be teaching 2, maybe 3 classes on April 12th. And then Washington, Spokane, Washington, June 6th to 9th. All that information is listed in the description below, where you can get the links, the websites, all of that, okay? Let's get started. So today I'm gonna use a color that has just been sitting in my cupboard, probably, oh gosh, for a year now, maybe. Is there a date on this thing? Oh my goodness, there is. October 4th, 2022. 2022. Oh goodness gracious. Wow, that is old. Has it been 2 years since I bought paint? Oh my gosh. So I always like to use, when I'm blooming, which I don't do often, that's probably why it's been sitting for so long, I use tricorn black, white, anchors away, and sea serpent. Those are my top 4 favorite colors. So I was like, you know what? First of all, I don't even have any of those colors. And I'm like, I'm not going to go and buy more until I finish what I have in my cupboards. And let me tell you, I have a lot in my cupboards, this being one of them. So this one is called Oceanside. So at the end of the day, sometimes, depending on how much you spin it or blow it out, you might not even get to see the base, and the base always dries darker. So I'm using Oceanside, color to go, Sherwin-Williams. I think, don't quote me on this, I got an email just yesterday saying paints are going to be 30% off. But again, don't quote me. I'm not sure if it's that, but that is a paint, so I'd assume that's part of the deal. But call your local Sherwin-Williams. This is in Canada too, don't forget. So anywho, the colors I'm using today are Dioxazine Violet by TriArt. Then I have Agapanthus by TLP. Oh, get that out of there. Agapanthus by TLP. Then I have Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam, followed by Twinkle, Twinkle, Twinkle by TLP, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Now it looks white, but it actually has like a blue-violet hue. Then we have a new color I have not used in my blooms, is Phthalo Turquoise by Golden. This is a stunning color. And then topping it off, we have Crescendo by TLP. All right, so those are my colors, my couleurs. I'm gonna put my gloves on. I don't know why I do this to myself. I always turn the heater on when I come into the studio because it's a little chilly in the studio. And then when I finally get ready and get started to paint, I'm like sweating in here. So I'm gonna flood my board and go turn off my heater, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so that has been flooded. All right, let's put the colors down. Now, I did add a little dollop in the center of more paint. I just want to make sure it's not like too thick in there. That looks fine. Okay, let's see. Dioxazine Violet in the center. So let's see, what day is it today? The 16th of January, dead of winter, and it is flippin' cold outside. It is like minus 18 with the wind chill. She's a cold. Makes me not want to be in my garage, even though I have a heater in there. I haven't really done any work with the laser machine lately. I think I just did so much over the holidays with tumblers and everything that I just really need to take a break from it. It's also freaking cold in there. You know, again, I could turn the heater up, but I really don't want to be in there right now. So, but I have to at some point go in there because I have to make spinners. I have to make spinners to sell them to you guys, but I also have to make spinners to take to the Fluid Art Experience because I need them for my bloom class. I need to take spinners down there, so you guys are gonna have something to spin on in the bloom class. So yes, I have stuff I have to do. So at some point I will get my butt in there. All right. Oh, this turquoise actually almost kind of looks like, well, a darker version of my base color. And is this opaque? No, this is transparent. If you have an opaque you know, paint, be very light-handed with it if it's opaque. But this one's transparent, so I'm okay. And then topping it off, Crescendo. Okay. I want to go on vacation somewhere hot and nice, but that's not in the time or the budget to go anywhere like that. My friends are going away for the March break. It's like reading week for you guys in the US. Oh my gosh, my cell activator. Oh, I always forget. My cell activator. What is wrong with me? Anywho, all my friends are going away for the March break with their kids or families, and they're going to Mexico or Cuba or whatever, and I'm like, I want to go, but can't. because I have too much going on here. Okay, shake, 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 shake. So my cell activator is Australian floetrol with Paynes Gray by Amsterdam. All right, so that's all shooketh. Is that even a word? Shooketh. Let me put my cell activator down. Okay, let's blow it out. Whoa, 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 these colors. Oh, I'm excited. I have a feeling this is gonna look pretty. Now there's a big blob of paint here, so hopefully as I spin it, it'll, you know, disperse. Where is my green straw that I use over and over and over again? Here she be. So I'm just gonna do some quick spurts of like blow right in the center here to kind of get some more of the cells to pop up. That's it. 1, 2, 3, and here come the cells. I love that. So I'm gonna let that do its thing. I'm gonna clean this up and I'll be right back. Okay, all cleaned up. So now I don't like how this is a straight line. So just in case this doesn't happen to go over the edge, I am going to squiggle that just in case, because it may not go over the edge. So at least I want some sort of design there. Let's do that here as well. I know some of you really hate when I do that and some of you like it. So I can't please everybody. I'm sorry. I'm gonna hopefully try and get most of this over the edge because I want to get rid of, you know, quite a bit of the negative space. Okay. Oh, my center. I just noticed the center. It looks perfect. Oh gosh. Okay. It's spinning time. Unlike Massey boys who say it's tilting time. No, it's spinning time. So I'm gonna spin. I'll speed you guys up and I'll be back when I'm done, and I think it's perfect. Be right back. I'm finished and I am so happy. Happy dance, happy dance. I'm such a nutball. Seriously though, hello, wait till you see the close-up of this thing. So over here, where my thumb is, hello, over here. And then at the bottom of your screen, there are, oh, wait, what is that? Is that the... What color was it? The Agapanthus? Has to be. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And of course, don't forget, this is going to dry darker, which is what I want from the base color. Oh man. Now it is moving just a smidgen in the middle. So there is a little bit of a base there in the middle. but I don't care. I'm leaving it. I don't want to keep spinning it because let me clean my hands off so I don't drip anything in there. I really like this here and this here and this here, and I cannot wait to show you the close-up, you guys. Oh my gosh, the shimmer in this is ridiculous. They all have shimmer, but this is something. So I'm gonna clean up this mess, and then I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody, I'm all cleaned up, and I want to show you the results. Okay, first off, I know I've been doing a lot of blooms lately, but I'm just having so much fun doing them. Like, really, I will get back to my blowouts at some point, but this is just way too fun for me, and I'm getting better and better at it. At least I think so. So I'm like really, really excited about how these are turning out and trying to come up with like new color palette ideas. But I mean, look at this. I don't know if my center is going to get a little wonky or not, because like I said, it was still moving a little bit in the center. So there, means there is still some paint in the center. But come on. Now do you see why I did the swirlies? Because I feel like it would have been just like a straight line if I hadn't. But I mean, come on. Look at this. This is insane. I love it. I love it. Now wait till you see the shimmer. All right, lights are off, flash is on, and look at this. Look at this. Now, you're not seeing what I see with my regular lights, so this is as good as it's gonna get. But believe me when I tell you, there is some seriously dark purpley Agapanthus happening in here. I wonder if I go, look at the center. Oh gosh. And then this little cluster down here. I'm trying to see now it goes out of focus. And if I go this way, still out of focus. Lots of shimmer. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to see this one dry, because it's gonna dry so much darker, which is what I want. So we'll see how that works out. All right, enough. And there you have it, everybody. Oh goodness, see, this is what I was talking about. Can you see, like right here, that like rich purple? That's what I was talking about. That is exactly what I was talking about. Let's see if you can see it up here. Yeah, wow. Okay. Let me know what you guys think about this beauty in the comments below. Again, don't forget, check out everything in the description if you want to come and take any of my classes. And yeah, look at this. I love it. It's so cool. All right, so that is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.